The number one component in skincare that dermatologists prescribe is retinol. There are many products available to choose from crepey skin, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Reshape and Crepey Skin Wrinkle Smoothing Skincare Lotion. Get rid of crepey skin on your body, face, arms, hands, and neck. Don't allow your confidence to be undermined by flaky skin, chicken skin, or dimples all over your body. Get smooth skin by simply rubbing the hydrating lotion in. Using cutting-edge Aquaspheres, you can rapidly hydrate your skin up to 88% more. Collagen-infused body moisturizer helps tighten drooping skin. Easy to use, large 15 ounces containers with a pump that will last for months. Hyaluronic acid in the body and face creams minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while preserving your skin's vital hydration. With the firming cream's skin-friendly components, nourish your skin. Borage seed oil is used to treat skin that is sensitive and inflamed. Using high-quality solutions, Reshape shows it cares about its consumers by helping to restore your dry and bumpy skin. Because of this, we manufacture our goods in the USA and never subject our collagen body lotion to animal testing. Also, we maintain the radiance of your skin without using harmful parabens. This collagen lotion provides you with flawless skin that you can be pleased to display while also deeply hydrating your skin. Number 2. pH Factor 5.5 Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Skincare Cream. The number one component in skincare that dermatologists prescribe is retinol. Deep wrinkles, fine lines, and UV damage are thought to seem less prominent while collagen synthesis is increased to aid in firming. This lotion, which was first created for use following cosmetic treatments, is now accessible to everyone who wishes to rejuvenate their skin. The most potent anti-aging chemicals are combined with natural antioxidants in pH Factor Anti-Aging Retinol Cream with ferulic acid to hydrate and plump your skin for a healthier, fuller, and younger appearance. Aloe vera and chamomile might help you replenish moisture. Nourish your skin while increasing its suppleness. This retinol cream is not irritating like many other retinol creams because of the combination of components. An advanced solution for skin that looks firm and supple. Skin hydration is quickly increased by up to 88% with Moist AMS. Formulated with ingredients that enhance the general health and look of your skin, including black tea, chamomile, and aloe vera. By minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and sun damage, you may promote a more youthful appearance and showcase a more radiant complexion. Number 3. MEDIX 5.5 Retinol Anti-Aging Face and Body Moisturizer Cream. Ever wanted skin that was smooth, clear, and firm? If so, you want to think about using MEDIX 5.5 Retinol and ferulic acid anti-sagging for crepey skin. It is a combination of natural antioxidants, ferulic acid, and anti-aging agents, vitamin A and retinol, as the name implies, that treat sun-damaged skin and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. This body lotion moisturizes and soothes your skin by up to 88% with the assistance of Botanist AMS and chamomile. You may get smooth and supple skin by using additional natural components like aloe vera, shea butter, black tea, and rosemary extracts. Vegan, cruelty-free, increases skin elasticity, is chemically free, and tightens sagging and loose skin. It restores radiance to older and acne-prone skin and may be used on both the face and body. Number 4. Yeouth Neck Cream with Vitamin C. Yeouth Neck Firming Cream, Face and Décolletage Wrinkle Cream. USA-made products. Are a cosmetic chemist's property. Free of parabens, natural. Dermatology evaluation. Yeouth Fountain has everything your skin needs. Now, include this cream into your skincare routine. Advanced Face Cream Neck Moisturizer. This incredible neck cream lotion's blend of ingredients and cutting-edge technology tackles crepey skin, turkey neck, wrinkles, and horizontal lines throughout the neck, shoulders, and chest area for a more lifted, toned appearance and feel. All Skin Types Anti-Aging Face Cream for Men and Women. As part of your daily and nightly skincare routine, combine this neck tightening cream with additional face skincare items like retinol serum and vitamin C serum. Apply on the chin, jawline, and area around the neck. Facial moisturizer that targets skin hyperpigmentation. Use this amazing face and neck cream regularly along with Yeouth skincare products for the face to combat dark spots, age spots and blemishes on the skin in your face and décolletage area. Try it today. Number 5. TreeActiv Crepey Skin Repair Treatment Product. Use this body lotion with hyaluronic acid to tighten, soften, and condition crepe paper-like skin for a plumper, younger, and healthier appearance. It is the perfect skin firming lotion for loose skin. This skin tightening cream, wrinkle cream for women, and anti-aging cream contains glycolic acid and shea butter, which assist to smooth fine lines, minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and age spots, and strengthening the bonds between the outer layers of your skin. Use this cellulite treatment every day to say goodbye to dry, sagging, wrinkled skin and a double chin, and hello to a firm, smooth, dewy appearance. It contains manuka honey and pure vitamin E oil. The natural body lotion, anti-aging moisturizer, and tummy tightening cream with aloe vera and sunflower moisturizes and refreshes without causing irritation. Its hyaluronic acid moisturizer and hand cream is safe for all skin types. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.